In this section, I am going to discussing about how to read the data from the Excel file. So I am creating one bot for Excel data read and click on create and edit. So here we can able to add the Excel commands. So first of all, in the Excel we are having the different commands, like we are having Excel basic applications and Excel advanced applications. Like Excel basic applications, what are the available in the previous version, those things are available in Excel basic command. And coming to the Excel advanced commands, we can able to find out the more options compared to previous one. So in these options we can able to find out like a row count, and we can able to give the cell colors, those things here we can able to do that. And as of now I am going to discussing about how to read the data from the Excel file. So first of all I have to launch the Excel file. So with help of open command I can able to retrieve the like I can able to open the Excel file. So I am going to like so I am going to call the Excel open command. So here I have to pass Excel input Excel workbook path. So give the Excel workbook path. And so in this Excel workbook I am having some data, like I want to retrieve the data. So with help of the get command options we can able to read the data. Like in this get command options we are having the three type of options in Automation Anywhere. In get methods, so we can able to retrieve the data in the three methods, like get single cell, get multiple cells, and get all cells. So we can discuss one by one. So for example, first of all I will call the get all function. In get multiple cells we are having the options like a different values, like get all, so get all rows and get specific rows we can able to set. And now here we can able to give the for to and from address. Now I am going to select all rows data and give the session name like a Excel, or any input one is the session name. With help of the session name we can able to, like it's a unique name for, it's a identifier, one of the identifier any for the applications. So while reading the data from the Excel files, automatically this retrieved data will assign into table data type variables. So here by default, while click on the create option, we can able to see the table type values. So here by default it's showing Excel sheet data. So I am creating by default, I'm giving the name as a by default name only. So click on the create one and so give the session name also, here one also input, we have input. And so now we are storing this data into data table, right? So in this tabular, with help of the loop command we can able to read the data from the table variables. So here we are having the loop options, we are having the options to read the data from the table data. Like in the data table we can able to read the data from the table, from the table data we can able to read the data from each row in a table. So I have to pass the table variable, and we need to assign this one into one of a new record, one new record variable. So by default while click on the create variable option, it shows the table row variable, right? So I am creating this one also, and create this one and give this save this one. So inside of this loop I will try to print the values. With help of the message box we can able to print the values, right? So inside message box I will print record values. So give the record and with the name of, like we are having the addresses in Excel file, right? So I have to pass the column names, column A, column B, and column C. We are having a three columns, right? First command, that is the first one is the column A, and same manner second one, second row is that column, second record address is that column B and column C. like I have to pass the every column address and save this one and run the bot. Then we can see the outcome of this bot. Okay, and record by record we can able to see that first one is the record one data is retrieving, and second row data is printed, third one also printed. And the same manner, if in case where how much data it is available on the excel file, it will rotate so that times. Thanks for watching this video.